Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall do some arithmetic on pipe and system. We shall begin with question number 21. And question number 21 is like this. If three taps are opened together, a tank is filled in 6 hours. One of the taps can fill it in 5 hours and another in 7 half hours. How does the third tap work? So, for example, let the the third tap. Could understand? A tank is filled in 6 hours. If three taps are opened, one of the tap can fill it in 5 hours and another in 7 half hours. How does the third work? So this is the question. Again, let's see. Have a look. 21. So if three taps are opened together, tank is filled in 6 hours. One half tap can fill it. Yeah.
Together fill the
Then, if the three taps are opened,
tank is
are opened together, a tank is filled. Question is okay. The tank is filled 6 hours. So one of the taps can fill it in hours and another in hours. How does the third tap work? Could you understand? So answer will be what? Waste pipe. That is the waste pipe. So, for example, let the third one empties in X minutes. Let the third one empties, right, in X minutes. Could you understand? In 1 minute, one happen X. Similarly, first one, how in 1 minute, the first one, what is that 1 upon 5 parts, and the another that is 7, half means 2, 7, the 14 plus 1, 15 by 2, that is in 1 minute, 2 upon 15. As per the question, 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 15 minus 1 upon 6 is equal to 1 upon 6. 1 upon x, that is, this is, what did I say? 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 15 minus 1 upon 6 is equal to x, right? Thank you. That is not 6, that is 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 6. Is equal to LCM is, what is the LCM? Tell me. 15x is the LCM. 15x divided by 5 is equal to 3 plus 15x divided by 15 is equal to 1. This is 3x plus 1x, 2x, right, minus 15 is equal to 1 upon 6. Implies that LCM 15x is equal to 5x minus 15 is equal to 1 by 6, 3 2 the 3 5 the is equal to 2 into 5x minus 15 is equal to how many? 5x? Or we can say just 1 minute. Implies that how many? 10x minus 30 is equal to how many? Tell me. 5x. Implies that 10x minus 5x is equal to 30. 5x implies that 5x is equal to 30. Therefore, x is equal to 6. The answer is how many? How many? 6? 6. That is waste pipe. That is waste pipe. Could not fill pipe. Could understand? Fill pipe means which fills the tank. Waste pipe means which empties the tank. So right answer is, which is the right answer? Tell me.
Number 3.
Number 3. This is the right answer. Okay. Done. Next one is 22. Two pipes A and B can separately fill in 7 2/3 minutes and 5 minutes respectively. 1/3? Half.
Huh.
What?
Half.
Yeah. Wait.
Seven
Just
half.
wait. Half. Yes. Minutes and 5 minutes respectively. Yathakrame respectively means. And a waste pipe C can carry up 40 liters per minute. If
14 liters.
40 liters, yes. If all the pipes are opened when the cistern is full, it is emptied in 1 hour. So, let's do it.
How many?
How many liters? Yes, tell. How many liters does the cistern hold? So, let's see. So, let the cistern contains X liter, right? X liter. Pipe, what did I say? Pipe C, right? Carries up how many liters? 14 liters. 14 liters in 1 minute. 1 minute. In 60 minutes, it will carry off 14 into 60 is equal to 80 liters. 840 liters, right? Could understand? And A in 1 minute, A's 1 minutes filling is 1 upon 7 part. B's sorry. A's that is not minutes filling is 7 to the 15 upon 2 is equal, that is 2 upon 15. Could understand? X and B is 1 minutes filling is equal to X upon 5. Right? And in 60 minutes, there is 60 minutes is equal to into 60 and into 60. Right? So, as per question, x plus this is 50. 2x upon 15 into 60 plus x upon 5 into 60 is equal to 84, right? So 15, how many? 4 the 5 12 the. So total is equal to x plus how many? This is 8x plus 12x is equal to 840. Implies that 21x is equal to 840. Therefore, x is equal to 840 upon 21 is equal to 40. So, the cistern contains 40 liters. Could understand? How many liters?
40.
Which is correct? Number one is correct. Could you understand? What did we do? First, we calculated everything in hour. It was given in minutes, then we calculated them in hours. Could you understand? Next, we shall move to the next question, that is the 23rd. Two pipes. Two pipes A and B can separately fill in 30 and 20 minutes respectively. And a waste pipe C can carry up
And A.
and C.
And
A B and a waste pipe. And a waste pipe C can carry off 60 liters per minute. If all the pipes are opened when the cistern is full, it is emptied in 60 minutes. 60 minutes is 1 hour. So how many liters does the cistern hold? It is the age 22. Question number like it is like question number 22. So similar is the case. Let the cistern carries. Let the cistern carries holds how many liters? X liters, right? So A is 1 minute filling is equal to x upon 30. It's 60 minutes filling is equal to x upon 30 into 60. B is 60 minutes filling is how many? X upon 20 into 60. Right? So C is 61 minutes carrying of is equal to how many? 60 liters. So 60 minutes carrying of is equal to 60 into 60 is equal to 360 liters. So as per question, that is the pipes are open when the cistern is full. Cistern is first full. X plus how many? 60 x upon 30 plus 60 x upon 20 is equal to 360. Implies that 32 the 3 the. So x 2x plus 3x is the total 6x is equal to 360. Therefore x is equal to 360 upon 60 is equal to 60 liter. Which is correct? Tell me. Number
3.
Number 3, 60 liters. Okay, done. These are very easy questions. Next one is 24. There are 10 filling pipes, each capable of filling a cistern alone in 6 minutes, and 6 empty pipes, each capable of emptying a cistern alone in 8 minutes. All pipes are opened together, and as a result, the tank fills tank fills 22 liters water per minute. Find the capacity of
22 liters of
Liters.
water per minute.
of water per minute. Okay. Find the capacity of the tank. Yes, this is 24. 10 pipes 1 minute filling is equal to 10 pipes 1 minutes filling is 160, right? 1 pipes 1 minute, 1 pipes 1 minute filling is equal to 10 is equal to 10 upon 6. Similarly 6 pipes 1 minute, 6 pipes 1 minute emptying is how many? 1/8, you know. So 1 pipes 1 minute is equal to 6 upon 8 part. So when all the pipes are open, the tank is filled in 1 minute. Could understand? So that means when all pipes are open, the tank is filled in 1 minute. So that means 10 upon 6 minus 6 upon 8 is equal to LCM is equal to 48, you know, or 24. We can say like this, 24. Right? 24 divided by 4, 6 is equal to 4. 4 into 10 is equal to how many? 40. Minus 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. 3 into 6 is equal to 18. That is 12. What did I say? That is 18, 32. 40 minus, yes, 40 minus 18 is equal to how many, tell me? 22 upon 24 divided 11 divided 12. 22 divided by 2 is equal to 11. 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12. That is 11 upon 12 liters, 1 minute. Could understand? So here in the question it is given that in 1 minute it fills, in 1 minute it fills 22 liters. Right? So in 1 minute, could understand? Ethic part is part, that means 11, 12 part is filled. This is filled. Right? So 11 upon 12 part is equal to 22 liters. Therefore, complete part is equal to 22 into 12 upon 11. 11 to the is equal to 24 liters. The answer is how many liters? 24 liters. Which is correct? Tell me.
Number 3.
Number 3 is correct. Next one is 25. Could you understand? 25. There are 6 filling pipes, each capable of filling a cistern alone in 16 minutes, and 4 emptying pipes, each capable of emptying a cistern alone in 20 minutes. All pipes are open together. As a result, tank fills 14 liters of water per minute. Find the capacity of the tank. It is like question number 24. Very easy. So 6 filling pipes, 6 fill pipes. So there is 1 minute filling is 6 pipes, 1 minute filling is how many? If we are filling the cistern alone is 1 upon 16. 1 pipes 1 minute filling is 6 upon 16. That's all. Simply for like that 4 pipes 1 minute emptying is equal to emptying is equal to how many? Emptying a cistern in 1 upon 20 minutes. 1 pipes emptying is 120, 4 into 4, right? All pipes are open together and a result tank fills 40 liters of water per minute. Could understand? So we shall do it as per the question. When all the pipes are open and the tank is filled in 1 minute, that is in 1. Yes, is equal to 60 upon 16 minus how many? 4 upon 20. Could understand? Is equal to how many? That is, let's see. So 16, 80. right? 8 divided by 16 is equal to 5. 5 into 6 is equal to 30. Minus 8 divided by 20 is equal to 4. 4 into 4 is equal to how many?
8.
16. 4 into 4 is 16 is equal to 14 upon 80. Could you understand that? 14 upon 80 parts. Right. Question says in 1 minute, the tank is filled. In 1 minute, 14 liter is filled. 1 minute. How many? 14 liter is equal to 14 liter. In 1 minute, from here we understand 14 upon 80 part is filled. That means 14 upon 80 part is equal to 14 liters. Therefore, full part is equal to 14 into 80 upon 14 cancel is equal to 80 liters. So the tank carries how many liters? Which is the correct answer? Tell me.
Number 2.
Number 2, that is 8. Okay. Done? Next one is, which is the 26th number? 26th number. Could I understand? So, there are 3 filling pipes, each capable of filling a cistern alone in 8 minutes, and 2 emptying pipes, each capable of emptying a cistern alone in 10 minutes. All pipes are opened together, and as a tank fills 7 liters of water per minute, find the capacity of the tank. So, it is also like the question number 24 and 25. You can do it. We need not work out it on the blackboard. So let's move to the next question, that is, there are 12 filling pipes, each capable of filling a cistern alone in 32 minutes, and 8 emptying pipes, each capable of emptying a cistern alone in 40 minutes. All pipes are opened together, and as a result, tank fills 28 liters of water per minute. It is also like question number 24, 25, 26. You can do it. So we need not do now here. So let's move to question number 28. Question number 28 is like this. Wait, just 1 minute. Question number 28 is like this. 2 pipes can fill a cistern in 10. What did I say? 2 pipes can. 2 pipes can fill a cistern in 10 and 15 hours respectively. This is respectively. Wait. Respectively. The pipes are opened. Pipes are opened simultaneously, and it is found that due to leakage in the bottom, 2 hours extra are taken for the cistern to be filled up. If the cistern is full, in what time would the leak empty it? Okay, so let the leak vacates the tank in 1 minute. Let the leak empties in 1 minute. In 1 minute 1 upon x liters. The 2 pipes fill the tank in 1 minute. So 2 pipes 1 minute filling is 1/10 plus 1/15 is equal to 33 plus 2 is equal to 5 upon 30, that is 1/60 part. Could you understand? how I did it, could understand or not? One pipe fills in 10 minutes, that means it's 1 minute work is 1/10. Another pipes 1 minute work is 1/50. Both when both of them work together, that is 1/10 plus 1/15 is equal to 160 part. Could understand? 160 part means 6 hours. Both the pipes take just 6 hours. But as there is a leak, they take another 2 hours. That means total plus 2 is equal to total 8 hours. Could understand? So, as per the question, 1/10 plus 1/15 minus 1/x is equal to 1/8. Could understand or not? Implies that is 30x, LCM 30x divided by 10 is equal to 3x plus 30x divided by 15 is equal to 2x minus 30x divided by x is equal to 30 is equal to 1/8. Implies that 3x, 2x, 5x minus 30 by 30x is equal to 1/8. Implies that 8 into 5x minus 30 is equal to 30x due to cross multiplication. I made cross multiplication is equal to 40x minus 24 to 240 is equal to how many? 30x. Implies that 40x minus 30x is equal to 240. Implies that 10x is equal to 240. Therefore, x is equal to 240 upon 10 is equal to 24 liters. So, how many liters? 24, not liters, 24 hours. How many hours? 24 hours. So, which is the correct answer? Tell me.
Number 3.
Number 3 is the correct answer. That is number 3 is the correct answer. Right? Number 3 is the correct answer. Next one is 29. Two pipes can fill a cistern in 30 and 15 hours respectively. The pipes are opened simultaneously and it is found that due to leakage in the bottom, 5 hours extra are taken for the cistern to be filled up. If the cistern is full, in what time would the leak emptied? It is question number 28. It is like a question number 28. You can do it. But understand, I will not work out it on the blackboard. Now let's move to the next question, that is 30. So what is it? A cistern. What did I say?
A cistern.
A cistern has a leak which would empty it in 4 hours. A tap is turned on which admits 3 liters a minute into the cistern and it is now emptied in 6 hours. How many liters does the cistern hold? Let's see. So, in 1 hour the pipe empties how many? The pipe, a cistern has a leak which would empty in 4 hours. That means let the cistern capacity is x liter. Right? In 1 liter, in 1 minute, the pipe empties, tap empties x upon 40. In 1 minute, that is hour. 4 hour, that is 4 hour. As per question, in 1 hour, it empties x upon 4 parts. In second instance, in 1 hour the pipes fills 160. In the second instant, x upon 6. Why? Because Here, it is now emptied in 6 hours. Could understand? So, as per question, what did I say? As per a question. So, 3 liters per minute means 3 liters per minute means 3 into 60 liters per 60 minutes. Could understand now? In 1 minute, 3 liter is admitted. In 60 minutes, that is 3 into 60, 180 liters. 180 liters is admitted. So, as per question, x upon 4 minus x upon 6 is equal to how many? 180 liters. Implies that LCM is equal to 12, you know, 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3 is x minus 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2x is equal to 180 liters. Implies that how many? X by 12 is equal to 180. Implies that x is equal to, therefore x is equal to 180 into 12, right? Is equal to how many liters? 12 0 da, tell me. 0. 12 80 da, 96, 6 here 9, 12 9 21. 2160 liters. How many liters? 2160 liters. Which is correct? Number 3 is correct. Could understand? Next one is 31. Could understand? 31. So, 31. We shall discuss about question number 31 in our next session. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.